Hello dear learner, how are you? Today I will discuss about the diazotization and coupling reaction. Do you know about this reaction? If you don't know, then please be on this short video. First of all, I will tell about the diazotization reaction. In this reaction, aniline react with the nitrous acid and the HCl and form the benzene diazonium salt. The most important example of the benzene diazonium salt is the benzene diazonium chloride. Next is the coupling reaction. It is the chemical property of the benzene diazonium chloride. In this reaction, benzene diazonium chloride react with the aniline or phenol. If the reaction is carried out with the phenol, then para-hydroxyazobenzene is formed, and if this reaction is carried out with the aniline, then para-aminoazobenzene is formed. Both are the azodyes which are used to produce the color to the other substance. For the full video, I have passed the link in description box. You can watch there. Thank you so much.